Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the 2021 Chevy Silverado. Pretty easy truck to do. You're used to seeing this big fuse block in there. That's fine for a 2-wire hookup. This strip right here is constant 12. Everything else is dead when you turn the key on. So there's constant 12. You can actually use a very small female spade terminal on that if you need to self-tap a ground as needed. There's some metal in here that you can hit fairly easy. The down and dirty on this is that's all good, but guess what? We're doing a 3-wire hookup. So let's go underneath here to the body control module, which is underneath here. And you can see these plugs. Sorry for the shaky stuff. All right. So red coming out of the blue, constant 12. Next position, green plug right here. Several of the directories call for pin position number 6, violet with a black tracer. You push in, you can pull this whole thing out. If you take a look at it, a bit hard to get to on the back. On the back side, you can see we have a violet and black wire. And if you're looking at the top of this plug, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the right. And that's where you're going to find your violet and black. And that is a switched ignition source. So make sure you turn the key off when doing this. And that is your 2021 Chevy. On wiring, box placement. One of the best places you can put this box is going to be, you pull this panel out, 2 T15 Torx screws. This whole thing comes out. So you can actually feed your wiring up into this, and you can strap your box to any of these cross members. This is all plastic in here, so you can strap it across here. You can almost fit a cowl lamp inside of this thing over here. Or if you want to get creative, you can actually pop this panel out, run your cable through here, and set your box inside of here if it'll fit, or under this panel. Place it back on top. You can see there are standoffs on it. Not the best place because of the heat that these things get, and it gets really hot there. So I kind of think you'd be better off going over in here somewhere to increase the life of the device. So that's the best I could come up with. Yeah, you could also probably go underneath here if you wanted to and strap it upward, but I like going high, keeping it above the side windows. I like to keep that box kind of up towards this area or top of it over to here. So I'm going to strap in under here when all is said and done. So 2021 Chevy Silverado. There you go. Right from the streets of Nashville. Have a good day.